Stats with a working sheepdog, Liberty Gibbet. Her pet name is Cascade. Dog's 2 years old and she trains at her own private club called Dizzy Dogs. Nice fast dog this. The rescue dog had some behaviour problems and took over here to sort out. This is looking very good. Round to the seesaw it goes. Could be another clear here. Sharp right turn onto the dog walk. Oh, and 5 faults there. And through the finish. 33.92. Might get in the top 4 at the moment though. Disco Inferno. Pet name Dizzy. Dizzy's 3 years old. She said this is the cleverest dog she's ever met. She does lots of things with it, heel work, music, obedience and fly ball. And she knows loads of tricks.
She's going quick.
Oh, and a brick out the wall, unfortunately. 5 faults there.
She around them. Sit.
It may need a clear round now to get in the top 4 and qualify for Crufts next year. 1 to go. It was a good try there by Juno. 5 faults in 42 points.